Hey everybody, my name is Colton. This is my tutorial on how to make a car lift in APM. You go to the little general store, whatever this thing is, and you don't gotta get a toolbox, but I do because it just looks cool. I get a toolbox. I get both the big and small ramps. After that, you're gonna go out and grab 4 hay bales, and it makes it easier on me or anybody who does this if you place them all down. That way you can carry 4, because you can't put multiple down unless you do this. This is my house of choice just because of the big garage, but you can choose any one you want. So you put 4 hay bales down, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. And then you got to get on the side of them and line the ramps up just perfectly to where they lay flat like that. Now once you've done that, you want to go ahead and take off the hay bales. Then you get the smaller ramps. I messed up here, but it's kind of hard to get it lined up correctly, but once you do, it works really good. Now I'm on an Xbox controller, and I use X and Y. Y is to go up, X is to rotate. You can only rotate and go up one way. Now once you got your ramps set up nice, I rotate the hay bale this way and put it up, and then put it just where it kind of hits the ramp right there, just for looks and makes it more functional. And there you have it, the car lift. I'm just going to show you by putting my truck up here that it actually does work. Alright, that's going to be it for today. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of this kind of content.